I don't. The thing is, I just want to say, like, if you're newer to this, I used to let the FUD scare me, and the other thing is, don't be afraid to take profit, don't get greedy, because I round trip my bags in 2021 blood, and I
Yeah, we talked
literally
about
went
that.
through the worst depression ever, like,
Hmm.
down at the bottom, and it feels terrible. So even if you don't get all the profit, taking some profit is completely great and don't ever feel like bad about that. But I still am bullish on random meme coins. Like, I don't really get overly involved in communities anymore because then you get like, don't sell, they I don't play that shit anymore. But I definitely think that there will be random pops still of meme coins and different ones. And I'm looking to find different creators that I think will come on and then wait until theirs are bottomed out and scoop them up. Look at Clash, look what George did. He's insane. He's getting listed on all different exchanges and stuff like that. So I think that certain meme coins won't be affected by the market and we'll always still have those for the degen stuff.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another weekly market review with yours truly, Crypto Blood. What's going on, ladies and gents? Thanks for tuning in today. Hope everyone's doing well. Hope you were able to uh, finish this week off successfully. It was a rough week. Definitely a rough week. We had a rough start to today's stream as well. We had some technical difficulties. We were trying to stream the first time on MGBX's global account, but we had some hiccups. So we're casting it over on my channel. Next week, it will be on global MGBX global account. So go ahead and follow those guys. Let me actually pull that up really quickly. And we're going to get right into it because we have Jenna X in with us today. Go follow MGBX global right now. I thought I had it up. There we go. MGBX global or MGBX underscore global on X right now. Go follow them guys. We got Big Joe in the house. We got Chris from MGBX in the house. We got Mastermind in the building. We got Crypto with Harris in the house. I'm doing well, my friend. I'm doing well. I'm gonna do even better when I get Jenna X on the stage. Let's bring her up right now, ladies and gents. Jenna, what's going on? 1, 2. I need one of those
What's
punching
up?
soundboard sounds.
I
Jenna,
don't know
what's
the
going
last one
on?
was good. Oh my gosh, not too much. Happy Friday. Thank you for having me. It's been a while
Yes,
since I've
happy
seen
Friday.
you.
Happy Friday. I want you guys to go right now before we go any further. Go follow the beautiful Jenna X on X. You had
On
Jenna X
X.
in your name
Bef-
before we
Before
turned
X.
over to X, right?
Before X
How
was a thing. Now everybody has an X. I'm just gonna
how
have to lose
perfect.
the X. I know,
No,
right?
no, 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 no. You said you
I am, right?
trendsetter. So
Right.
definitely go follow Jenna right now, guys. Jenna X Crypto on X. She told me that she's kind of not doing TA right now, which is sad because she actually
Wow.
gave me a run for my money. She's actually a good trader, a good technical trader. Ladies and gentlemen, don't sleep on Jenna X, please.
We did. Listen, when we keep going down, then I'm going to be paying attention to it. I was training for my fight, so, I was really not paying as attention to the charts, but I will tell you, I've been working for a crypto news, a very, very large one, media outlet for the past year, and I do their social media every day, all day long, so I read headlines all day, and I think I've gathered enough of what's going on right now, and that's how I'm making my plays, but we can jump into all that.
All
You
right,
lead.
cool, cool,
Lead.
cool. So you pinged me and said bring up the dash chart. I
Yes.
guess we can do that because of the sake of time. And I know like we had some technical difficulties, couldn't get going right at 4 o'clock today. I do want to just quickly go over this situation right here, ladies and gentlemen. We have, and I told you guys earlier today, everyone says I'm always bearish blood. No, I said this morning I thought we would head higher, and lo and behold, we did head higher. I didn't think we were going to get this high, but we are right back at the flash crash wick. We're at the support, or I should say resistance line for the flash crash that happened on 1010. We're right there, ladies and gentlemen. We're trying a second time. Is the second time going to let us break through and maybe head higher to 107? I don't know. We'll get Jenna's opinion on that really quickly. What do you think about today's market and how we're finishing up for Friday?
Oh, but I'm bearish.
Yo,
I mean,
Lord,
I
oh.
mean, I'm turning into a little bit of a bear. We've been going up since October of 2023. I mean, I still think Bitcoin below 100K is cool, but I don't think we're gonna keep going up. I think that we're gonna get rocked.
I'm okay, so I'm with you. Like short term, meaning like in the next, just going like finishing out this year. I don't see us going higher than all time high. I don't even see us getting close to all time highs. We had a red October,
Mm-mm.
first one in some years now. I think the last one was in 2018, and the one before that was 2014. So to see us close red means something in my book. What about you?
Same, same. I mean, I think we need to cool off. I think we need to find new bottoms, and that would make me feel so much better if we did, to be honest, because I've made the mistake of being way too bullish before, but I think that we just need to go sideways for a little bit, or we're gonna go down, tank, and that's fine. But I don't think we're gonna see the lows that we have before. I mean, do I think 50K? No, probably not. But I think that we're gonna go lower. Yeah, I
I
do.
got us at I got us at like 60ish, 60, 70K. 70K I think is what I have us potentially heading towards, which is a good opportunity, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah, I got
For
us
a
at
short.
79K. 79K, 80K Bitcoin is excellent. I'll be loading the bags. I don't know about you, but I'm
Oh
loading
God,
it.
yeah. I'm gonna make money going down because I'm gonna be
There you
shorting,
go.
and I'm gonna
There you
make
go.
money going up. I'm gonna load up. Like that's what you do.
See, I
You
told you
short it,
guys.
you stock
She
up on
knows what she's
Bitcoin,
talking
and
about.
then you go back up.
She
It's
knows
not
what she's
hard.
talking about. Crypto with Hair says I'm seeing Bitcoin at 87K. That aligns very closely with my target as well to the downside, Harris. So I'm with you right there for sure.
Mhm.
Why are we going to be talking about Dash today, though? Tell me why Dash.
All right, okay, because we've been seeing the privacy coin meta. Now, I have a theory on why privacy coins are pumping right now because
Ooh, I want to hear.
these are the unregulated ones, and I honestly think it's a really big top signal. I think that there's a lot of people that are going to be running into these, and they're going to be exit liquidity if
Mm,
you weren't there earlier. Now, Zcash, we've already seen
mm.
that run. I'm not sure how high Zcash is going to run, but Zcash has a much higher supply. Well, it's like double the supply. It's 21 million, so it's double the supply of Dash. Dash has half of that, but it hasn't had the run like Zcash did yet. It's just starting, in my opinion. So I think that I'm gonna get more X's on Dash than I do with Zcash. This has seen a few cycles already, right? It's not a new token. I think like it's gonna go up. But the thing is, you have to look at where we're at right now with regulations and everything. We only have 2 more years of Trump. What's the next administration gonna come in and do? If these are not regulated tokens, like Zcash is not, they can just be like, sorry guys, these are banned. These are banned. So I think this is like a liquidity run. I think I don't know. I'm just cautious. Like I'm playing the
Wow.
game, but I think it's a top signal.
Oh, wow.
I
That's a
think I
good
think
view. I didn't think of
yeah.
it that way.
That's just mine, but
Yeah, I
that's where I'm
didn't
going
take
at.
that angle at all for sure. That's a good one too. I didn't think about that. Might have to add that into my playbook for the privacy coins. A lot of people are saying that, Zcash is the new Bitcoin and Bitcoin's dead because everyone's running the Zcash. Zcash has had a run. I didn't even pay. Listen, I haven't paid attention to privacy coins in a while, simply because I'm a little skeptical of um what do they look like post quantum, right? Quantum
Right.
supremacy is
It's
my
true.
issue. So I've kind of been staying away from it, but I heard someone tell me earlier today on my stream that Zcash is already quantum resistant or something. Do you know anything about that?
I don't. I mean, I'll never sell all of it. Like, I'll keep some just in case. What if it pulls a YFI and goes higher than Bitcoin? Like, you never know,
Yeah, I
right?
remember
Like
that.
YFI
Yeah.
did in 2020. Yeah.
Hmm.
So, I mean, I don't know. I don't know about the quantum, resistance of it or anything, but I'd still prefer Bitcoin.
Yeah, me too, me too. So what else is on your radar? I mean, other than privacy coins, what are you playing in your bag that I mean, I know you're bearish, so kind of maybe let's talk bearish talk. Let's talk about
Um,
what you're short on, or where did you exit the markets?
Okay, well, I'm out like 75% of my bags. The only thing I'm in
Same
right
here.
now is Dash. Yeah. I'm on the sidelines because here's the thing right now. You really have to know if you're leverage trading, you have to know your time frames. And for me right now, if I do that, I'm scalping. I'm staying on a short time frame because it can just be a tweet, it can be anything. But for long term, yeah. I could do a very small short on like a low leverage for that's my comfort, level for Bitcoin, but these altcoins, right? I mean, look at the ones right now that you have pumping that are so stupid, like Filecoin and all these others that were complete garbage all cycle. I think that's like an exit pump because most all of these, look at the ones that have all the ETFs passed. I'm shorting them. I'm shorting even with XRP because all of these big guys, like their ETFs are just passed. They're not gonna wanna buy at a premium. They're not. We're going down. Altcoins are gonna be the most volatile, that's the way to go. But in that, I'm gonna short it the whole way down. I'm gonna make my money, and then I'm gonna buy them up because our floors will end up be getting higher because of TradFi, right? Holding the ETFs.
Where did you exit most of your
With
bag?
what? Well, with XRP, I was out at like $3. I started to sell. And then once we like really weren't getting too high above three, I sold about 50% of my XRP bag. Now everything
Okay.
else has been random places. I am holding Bitcoin.
Okay.
I don't sell my Bitcoin. I just keep accumulating. Because
Okay.
otherwise, I don't fuck around with that. But
Got
everything
you.
else,
Got you.
altcoins, once I've had a few
Yeah.
X's, I'm out.
Yeah. I kind of just in relation to Bitcoin's price, I started exiting around 75, 78K. So I'm
Okay.
pretty far away from my entry point right now. So coming back down to 80, 79K will be great. I would love to see a move below my entry.
Mhm.
So hopefully we can see some kind of like flash crash movements below 70,000 Bitcoin. That would be great. I can get back in below where I exited. So that would be sweet if that happened.
Mhm.
Hit that like button though, ladies and gents, as you guys come in. We are live right now with the one and only Jenna X. What? So tell me about the fight. You had a
Oh my
token.
gosh. Oh, this one was not as good as last year. Okay, I will say I looked better than I did last year, but I went into it with a bad mindset. So that was on me. But it was fun. It was a blast. I got TKO'd in the second round. What are you gonna do? I got hit in the back of the head. I think I should have gotten 5 minutes to recover, but I didn't. So after that, I'm not gonna lie, I was a little wobbly and it wasn't great. I did so
Was she
terrible.
like a better opponent?
Yes, that's why she kicked my ass.
Gotcha.
It sucked. It sucked. But she has a UFC coach. I I don't. I live in a very small town. Our training was probably very different, but Erin is a really fierce competitor. She was great. I do think we were pretty evenly matched. I just did a really, really terrible job, like covering myself, like getting in, getting out. I'm
Mm.
telling you, it's so weird. Most of everything you learn just kind of tends to go out the window, and we were just like wild. We were just like ready to just like it was just chaos. But it was fun. It was an amazing trip, and I loved
Wow.
every moment. So even
That's
getting
what's
knocked
up.
out, still a great time.
All right, no brain damage though. I don't have
I'm
none of that now.
hoping
We need you to
not.
be able to think clearly
I'm
when you're
hoping
shorting
not.
and getting back in the markets now.
Listen, if Michael Burry's short on Palantir right now,
Ah!
I'm not counter trading him. I'm not.
I hear that. I hear that. Today, guys, we're only gonna have Jenna here for another maybe 15 minutes or so. So make sure you go follow Jenna right now on X. Again, it is Jenna X Crypto on X right now. So many X's there. But
So many
definitely go
X's.
follow her. And we'll be giving it, and stay tuned because later during the stream, I will be giving away another $50 to a lucky person that follows MGBX underscore global and likes and retweets and comments with their UID number. So make sure you guys get that in. I know I saw a few people in here already doing that. So that's good luck to you. All these people down here. That's what's up. So you're bearish like me
Mhm,
overall in the
mhm.
markets. So did you tell us your target to the downside? I don't remember if you said for Bitcoin. Where's your
Oh, I
target?
I definitely think the first one's like about 87, 88, like you were saying, and then if we go down, I just don't think 50. If we ever see below 50, that would be amazing, but I just don't see swings like that right now. Because with the ETFs and stuff, I think people would just lose their shit. I think that they hold so much of it that they can kind of control that now, so I just don't see those swings. But
Okay, so
60K maybe.
let me ask you about, this is my issue with this is why I think we could see a 50, 40, 30, maybe quick, not staying there, not sustained
Ooh.
levels, but the reason why is microstrategy. What is, how are you taking microstrategy into your or putting that in your equation to the downside as far as
No,
them possibly having to liquidate some
no,
Bitcoin?
no. I think it is a system of checks and balances. So I don't short MicroStrategy and I don't short Bitcoin because to me that's like shorting Bitcoin and like I mean I don't short like long term like think of like here's the thing. They want more Bitcoin, right? Do we wanna give more of it to these institutions? No, that's why I'm not gonna sell my HODL bags. Will I leverage trade it? Sure, but I'm not gonna physically sell it. I'm just not. I'm pulling a Michael Saylor, so if he wants to sell it to me, cool, but I think it's a system of checks and balances, honestly. I do.
Okay.
So I think
Yeah,
holding I
I'm
just
just
don't see that.
wondering about a scenario where they're forced to sell. Because remember, in 2024, they were the biggest buyer. I think they bought
Yeah.
like 30 or 40% of float of Bitcoin last year.
Yeah,
They
it's
bought that much Bitcoin. So it's like a double-edged sword, in my opinion. Like, if they're forced to, if we go lower and they get a little jittery and gotta not saying they sell all their bag, not at all, but let's just say they gotta sell 10%. Like, I think it's a cascading effect where other companies will start to sell as well, and
mm.
we might have an issue on our hands.
I don't know. I can't see it. I can't.
Okay,
I can't see him selling your Bitcoin. He's the ultimate never sell your Bitcoin. I think he'll figure something else out. That's just
interesting.
my opinion.
Now
Yeah.
they sold Bitcoin before,
I know, but
and then
he's like
they
all on
bought
it.
back. Yeah, they
I,
bought back, but and bought more,
but
but
if
they
they
did
do
sell
that,
before.
I mean, if it triggers the wave and everything, I think that's a great opportunity then for everybody to get in and go and buy it
Correct.
up back from them. That would be a huge
Yeah.
opportunity for us. We're not going to panic. So,
Right. Right.
but
Are you
it could happen.
following stock market at all?
I am a little bit.
Okay, what's your assessment on that? Because it all correlates with crypto nowadays. So it'd be great
Yeah.
to tell the audience how you feel about the equity markets as well.
Absolutely. Well, okay, so you have to look at this. We have came in today, the consumer price index is literally at the second lowest level it's ever been in history, right next to the 2008 crash. That's kind of a big deal, kind of saying something. And you have like seven companies that are all literally recycling trillions and trillions of dollars together. And I heard, and obviously we have Michael Burry saying, okay, he's the master of calling the bubble, saying, hey, this AI bubble is about to burst, and he's given multiple different reasons why, and you can find that just by easy research. Um, but also, we have retail that's just completely exhausted right now. I mean, I don't think any new liquidity is coming in. We have the government shutdown. People are starting to get just like fed up. They're not buying, they're not spending. Your lower and middle class, like they're not putting any extra money in right now. They're really starting to feel the effects of everything. So I'm not feeling great about it. I think we're going down, and that's why I'm just waiting on the sidelines. I'm waiting on the sidelines. I'm going to buy the crypto really cheap and the crypto ETFs very cheap. And also, I heard through the grapevine, I don't know if it's true because anything that I found has been completely scrubbed from the internet that there is a lawsuit coming of a human rights violation of Palantir. I don't know if it's right, and it has to do with AI and just monitoring your brain frequencies. And apparently, they've overstepped and done something completely illegal. It's a human rights violation. I don't know, privacy violation. So whether it's true or not, I've heard it's going to the president's desk. We'll find out. I don't know, but also could be a major catalyst in this because if these giant stocks keep go down because you have these 7 that are basically recycling trillions and trillions of dollars. They're just
I
all
talked
selling
about
to
that
each other,
earlier.
right? Yeah, they are. Like, if they start to collapse, they're all entwined in AI and everything like that, everything just collapses and falls.
Yeah, I brought up this image earlier today in my stream. So funny you brought that up, and I was talking about the circle. I call it the big circle AI
Yes!
circle jerk. It's the
Yes,
big AI
yes.
circle jerk.
You knew exactly what I meant. You have
Yeah,
my
yeah.
wavelength.
So it's gonna end badly. It's
I
gonna
agree.
end badly.
I'm
And
with you
so
on
I
that.
think it's gonna drag cryptos down. That's another
Mhm.
reason why I'm bearish right now in the short
Mhm.
term as well. I'm with you. I'm scalping. I use, and guys, jump over to crypto to bloodalytics.com and check out the Scalpalytics Pro signals we got over there. But definitely scalping, making money in the
Yeah,
interim on the short run, short time frame. But
sure.
yeah, there's definitely some storms to be had or experienced here in the crypto space. I think very soon. We ended the
Like,
day. We went long during my stream. I told people, and I showed this actually. It was on Ethereum down here. We ended up going long on Ethereum during the stream at 11 o'clock today. And boom, shakalaka, ladies and gentlemen. Look at that.
nice.
Nice move up. Took profit. Took 50% of our profits right here. Another 25 here, and we done. We're done. Good payday for Friday, ladies and gentlemen.
Nice.
So
Nice.
scalping, I'm with you. We got to scalp to keep the income coming in, and
Yep.
yeah, I'm with you 100% on that.
I would not fall asleep in a log going into the weekend. I will tell you that.
Yeah, I agree. I
Not
agree
me.
with you there. I agree with you there. I think my other signals that auto trade, we're long right now, but we're definitely prepared to go short going into the weekend. So I'm with you on that one for sure. Um, anything else you want to go over today while we have you, about another 10 minutes or so?
I don't. The thing is, I just want to say, like, if you're newer to this, I used to let the FUD scare me, and the other thing is, don't be afraid to take profit, don't get greedy, because I round trip my bags in 2021 blood, and I
Yeah, we talked
literally
about
went
that.
through the worst depression ever, like,
Mm-hmm.
down at the bottom, and it feels terrible, so even if you don't get all the profit, taking some profit is completely great, and don't ever feel, like, bad about that, but I still am bullish on random meme coins. Like, I don't really get overly involved in communities anymore because then you get like, don't sell, they I don't play that shit anymore. But I definitely think that there will be random pops still of meme coins and different ones. And I'm looking to find different creators that I think will come on and then wait until theirs are bottomed out and scoop them up. Look at Clash, look what George did. He's insane. He's getting listed on all different exchanges and stuff like that. So I think that certain meme coins won't be affected by the market, and we'll always still have those for the degen stuff, so I'm still hanging
Interesting.
out, playing with those, yeah.
Yeah, I'm done. I've been scarred. I'm not doing the meme. I'm not even
I
touching
like
meme
them,
coins.
that's the degen in
I
me, that's
can't
what I
do it.
like.
I can't do it. I lost
I
too
like
much
it.
money. I lost six figures playing around with yeah, I
Oh.
lost six figures
Oh.
on my own coin. How about that, ladies and gentlemen? On my
That's
own coin.
bad, that's bad. Yeah, you
Well,
should probably stay
it's the
away.
same.
Yeah.
It's I
You should
suffer
stay
from the
away.
same thing you were talking about though, where the community tells you not to sell, right?
Oh, yeah, and they're
Well,
slowly
I'm
pumping.
the person telling everyone else not to sell, and then they can see all my wallet, so I really can't sell, and so I got to ride it all the way to the bottom. Never
Oh,
again.
yeah. No, 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 no,
Never again.
no. But no, that's
Uh,
all I have for
yeah,
me.
okay. All right, cool. So, one last question. Speaking of meme coins, do you feel like the meme coins are going to steal the shine again on the next bull run? Like altcoins, really, we haven't
Mhm.
seen altcoins perform that well in this last cycle at all, and it's
It's
been,
crypto, yeah. If it's more
yeah,
retarded,
it's the
it's
meme.
better.
Yeah.
I don't think that's gonna stop.
Oh, I don't think so either.
I don't. I
Yeah,
think
I'm
it's
with you.
memes. I watch for them, I do. I just
Wow.
think the dumbest shit just pops off, and I don't think it's gonna slow down.
Amazing, amazing. Well, the great, the wonderful, the are you gonna fight again or are you done?
No, maybe okay, maybe a pillow fight championship.
A
I could do
pillow.
that might be in
What?
the future. I found out that that's a thing, so I might do that, but otherwise, no, I've taken up pickleball.
Pickleball. Oh my god, that's going crazy right now. That's like a meme. That is a meme. That's a pickleball is a meme.
I've been playing
If
with
you
the old
ask me.
heads down the street, and it's
Yeah.
fantastic. We have so much
Yeah.
fun.
Absolutely. Well, guys, again, Jenna X, thanks for stopping by on the weekly
Thank
recap with
you
MGBX.
so
Guys, go
much.
follow her again on X right now. Jenna X Crypto. We'll get her back on in a few months here and see what we're looking like after the new year and get an update from Jenna X. Again, thank you so much for tuning in today, Jenna.
Thank you, Blood. Thank you, MGBX. I appreciate it. Bye.
All right.
Have a good week.
Peace. There you go, guys. Jenna X again, stopping in for a little bit. We got a special guest coming in next week as well. He's one I have to say for this gentleman, and I'm not going to tell you who it is, but this guy is one of the top tier traders that I know. Seriously, I don't give many people that stamp, and I got to give it to this guy. We'll have one next week, so you definitely want to come back in and tune in on next week's weekly recap, Fridays, 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. It's going to be epic. It's definitely going to be epic. I am bearish in the short to midterm. Now, on a day to day, as I called it on the stream earlier today, with the help of Bloodalytics, listen, we got a short term bottom, double bottom, potential head and shoulders, really inverted head and shoulders. So we may even go higher, but ultimately, I think we end up going lower. If I bring up the chart again, just to reiterate what I'm talking about, guys, to give you some alpha going into the weekend, I definitely think we have what's called an inverted head and shoulders going on right now on the charts for Bitcoin. This is the 1 hour. Okay, so if you know how we do, we draw our A's and V's. So here's a V, here's a V, and here's a V. All right, what does that look like? An upside down head and shoulders. Only if we complete this. We got to take out this area right here. Got to take out this area right here. We're right there at the flash crash wick resistance line. So will it happen? If it doesn't happen by really in a couple hours, I think we get a rollover over the weekend. Okay, if it doesn't happen in a couple hours, we get a rollover into the weekend. But if we are able to get above here, we might even see a move back to 107, at which point, or in that range, we're talking about 106, 107 range, which is over here, right? That's the previous support area. We get back up to there, then we roll over for sure. I don't see us extending too much further than that. So in the short run, we could get a run up to 107 if we pass the test at 103. If we don't pass the test at 103, we roll over and go to $96,000 Bitcoin, ladies and gentlemen. Bulls slaughtered. Again, check out bloodalytics.com for the scalping setups I show every morning on my streams. Very accurate. No commitment necessary. We got the Scalpalytics Pro package. We got the Solana BNB package. These are scalp packages. And we have the 2 charts for SUI and XRP, all available on TradingView. Check it out if you guys are interested. I know my guy House of Trades is killing it with the Scalpalytics Pro for sure. He hit it out the park today, I'm sure. I'll bring that up really quickly. This trade, he trades over in the UK, the Eurozone, and what a hell of a trade we had today for Ethereum. Check this out again. ETH went short during the start of the London zone. Short, and look at all that money made there, ladies and gentlemen. Then then we turned around and went long right after the New York session opened. Right there, boom, and took all those profits going up as well, ladies and gents. We did very well to close out the week. Definitely doing our thing. AJ said, I'm learning a lot here. I'm glad you are. I hope you guys are learning. Sure am. We're all learning. Jenna X dropped some jewels on us today as well. So we definitely appreciate her stopping by MGBX Weekly Recap. Again, that's pretty much it for today, guys. Appreciate each and every one of you. Don't forget to follow me as well. I've been telling you to follow everyone else. Don't forget to follow me, CryptoBlood _ on X. Here's my profile. All right. And of course, check out MGBX Global. Can't forget them. Rocking it out, growing. They got almost 200,000 followers right now. X going crazy. New exchange. They're definitely growing fast, guys. So you want to be on board for that growth. You want to check it out. Again, weekly recap. Special guest, Jenna X this week, guys. We'll see you next week. Got another special guest coming up for next Friday's session. Tune in to get the alpha. It's your boy Crypto Blood. I'm out of here, people.